program is focused on the efficiency and affordability of technologies, and we enhance those things through enhancing the manufacturing processes for that. And the end goal is to support weapon systems to enhance warfighter capabilities.
We are at the Watervliet Arsenal. Our engineering facility is part of AFC DevCom Armament Center, and our mission is to provide research, design, and development of large caliber cannon.
The project that we have is called electrochemical machining for armament manufacturing. For future cannon designs and looking at alternative materials, we needed to have a different broaching process or rifling process to be able to rifle large caliber cannons. Broaching is a conventional manufacturing process that uses a successive set of broaches that shear off very small amounts of material. Broach sets are very expensive. So with electrochemical machining, it's a non-contact process, so your tooling is much, much cheaper. We can get faster processing rates and get an improved quality with this process.
This project started off as an S&T development effort. As the technology matured, it was transitioned to a ManTech program. With the support of the ManTech office, this technology will reach a manufacturing readiness level to allow it to be transitioned into production manufacturing processes.
This was specifically under the ManTech program for the M284, which is on the Paladin system. But the technology is also very pervasive. So we could use this on 105 millimeter. We can use this on 7.76, which is the M77 towed artillery system. Long-range artillery, we can use it for that as well.
The investment of the Army ManTech office in electrochemical machining allows us to advance the technology that currently exists for rifling large caliber cannon. It will also offer us flexibility and agility moving forward into our newer designs so that we may provide superior weapon systems.
I consider it a success because we started out as a very small effort, and then we built this full-scale facility and then demonstrated that we can rifle large caliber cannons with it. We've been doing this for the ManTech program since fiscal year 19, so we just ended our 4-year program, and we're now going into our transition phase where we're taking that from a MRL-7 technology and pushing that out to the shop floor.
It's very vital to the mission because whatever the U.S. warfighter has to use within combat situations, it has to be manufactured. And if we can't manufacture it, if we can't manufacture enough of it, then it reduces our ability to have overmatch against the adversary.